It's Sunday, May 26, 2019, just about 6:30 p.m. And this is going to be the last of the series for today, I believe, of the winds in Victorville, California. It's already ripped off the top of that shed roof. We're going to see a gust. The wind started yesterday afternoon, 12 p.m. So maybe 12:30, 1 o'clock. There you go. See how that's blowing up there? And they haven't stopped. They've slowed down, but as far as slowing down, that would be a slowdown. Winds are being generated because of the snow caps melting on Mount San Antonio, 50 miles or so southwest of here, almost directly behind this camera. Mount San Antonio is 10,400 feet in elevation. We're in 3,000 some. And this has been going, as I said, since yesterday. Most of the month of May, we've been here since May 1st, and it's been like this. You sit in the house, or you sit in the house, or you sit in a shed or something out of the wind. We're in what's called the high desert. That's what's out there, total desert. Wind is so strong for so many years that it bent those trees, even though they're still alive, with leaves. They're arched. As you can see, the skies are pretty clear. Those clouds passed us already. Little afternoon earlier today, I went out trying to patch that back up and told the owner about it. And the material has been ripped. With this wind, afraid of being getting cut by that piece of tin. There are more nails holding it down. And on the far end here, there is a heavy-duty truck router, brake router. So we're hoping that keeps it in place until the wind stops and we can replace this. The line you see in the center of the screen is the radio antenna for the rig, so we're not moving that. And the car below it is a 1949 Crosley. The family who owns it bought it used, and they brought the first kid home from the hospital in 1955, and it's still here today. I've said these things over and over on all the other videos, but if you're only watching one and not the rest, you wouldn't know.
You could be eligible for financial compensation. Call the law offices of Wright & Schulke right now at the number on your screen, or visit meshjustice.com now. Ethicon, a subsidiary of Johnson & Johnson, has recalled its Physio-Mesh Flexible Composite Mesh. Again, if you've had complications from your hernia surgery,
so as you can see, the wind is continuous.
Find out what type of devices were used in your surgery. Call the law offices of Wright & Schulke immediately.
We're protected on three sides. House on the left, a good size shed workshop on the right, and a garage directly behind us, maybe 6 feet away from the back of us. And yet with the wind coming up this trail here, it's just catching the top of us. And the wind coming, oh, you can't see from this angle, but there's a full yard in front of that shed. Wind comes down that yard, hits that shed, and deflects right into us. So here we go with a gust. Call 800-718-70
7002. That's 800-718-7002.
Have osteoarthritis in one or both knees?
Now, this is supposed to be 14-mile-an-hour wind.
Are you on Medicare, Obamacare, or other health insurance? If you answered yes, you may be eligible for a prescription strength solution for osteoarthritis in the knees, covered by Medicare at little to absolutely no cost to you. Our experienced staff will work with your doctor and handle all of your Medicare or insurance paperwork. Find out for free by calling the Back and Knee Pain Center.
Call what?
If you listen to the timestamps on these series of videos about the wind in Victorville, California, you'll see this has gone on over hours. We didn't do any videoing yesterday, should have. Hold on now, hey, that's the end of this one. Hold on. Well, there's a big gust.
That was that one.
Wow. Hold on.
You know, ever since I was a kid, I wanted to be a pilot. Then after I got my wings and had 75 missions, I thought I'd seen everything. Now after all this, I know I haven't seen anything.
Alright, that's it for this one. This is the gust coming. There is. The gust. You probably hear it. Alright, that's it for this one.